show you 6 million views in less than 3 months.
Year.
Yes. So
you didn't prepare me for this question.
No, that was just a sit down. You can just show you, like I'll be doing like this, only the clothes.
My waist is 24.
Jesus.
And I tell you, seriously.
My waist is 31. God. Welcome back. Hello creative minds, welcome back to the channel. So today I am sitting down with StylebyReme. I'm going to put in her link or her description on this video so you go watch. She also make
out my channel.
She makes sewing video easy, like sewing tutorial easy. Yeah, I watched one of her videos yesterday and I'm like, this is the very easiest way to make trouser. Like that was,
because I feel like most of the things I know is just like self-taught now. You just look for a way to just do it and
comes out nice.
Sometimes I watch videos too as well on YouTube too.
Remember, I wanted to ask, what are the challenges you face as a content creator?
Sometimes you don't even know what to post. Honestly, you don't just. There are times, I think I think 3 weeks ago I was so in the mood. I was doing back-to-back, post today, post next. You understand? Immediately I finished with that period, I just went from that to not knowing what to post. And I'm like, yeah, what do I post today? I'll not be showing people, please tell me what to do now. What do you think I should post? They're like, post this thing. And my friend will always say, post corset, because you're always hearing me talking about corset. I'm like, it's not every day corset. What if it's you? Would you get tired? He's like, that's what your people like. I'm like, most times when you're thinking, and your own is even easier, you have a lot of ideas. People are like, make this, make that. My own, I just come and I think I'll start doing that. I just come and I'm like, today we are learning how to make this.
Okay, can I suggest something? Why not do this? You just showed me this. That picture I just saw, that skirt is so beautiful. So why not, most times when you get beautiful inspirations like that and you are still thinking of should I create or not, post it on your community. You have access to your community, post it there and you will see how happy they are, they want to learn, and from there it will even motivate you, even when you're
probably posting something like who is excited to see how to make this. That's true.
You do that will give you more motivation. Now moving on, another question for Reme.
You didn't prepare me for this question.
No, that was just a sit down.
You guys,
this is just a sit down. It's just a sit down with StylebyReme. So I am taking her unawares while we wait for our burger. So what else do I want to ask you? How do you feel when you post a particular video and you get comments from people? Like, have you ever gotten a dislike on a video?
A few times, very few times.
How do you feel like when you know that you're...
Oh jeez, one dislike will make you depressed. I don't know why that is like that. You have like 1,000 people like your video and you're like, wow, they like it, but immediately one person just dislike, or the person said, I tried it, it's not nice, or one thing, I'm just like, that just takes away all the positivity, just one.
And me, I'm always advocate of positivity, but once I get that dislike, it brings me down.
You're just like, seriously,
like, what did this from?
It's not only dislikes. When you post the video, like, you can imagine working so much on a particular video and in your mind you're like, this is going to so work, and then you post it 1 hour later, you're coming back,
no view.
I'm making 20 views. Sometimes I used to look at I look at myself, I look at my channel, I'm like 14,000 subscribers, and I post a video 1 hour later, 5. Maybe now for me, generally what I have is around 600 in 1 week, 700 after 1 week. And I'm looking, I'm like, so where are the 14,000 people?
Are they asleep?
Where are they? Why did they now subscribe?
Yeah, no. Well, that's true. That's why I know I posted a video. Was it early this year? I posted a video almost crying.
I saw that.
I'm like, do you know how the hard work? I don't sleep. Remember, see what happened today. I stepped in the sitting room. There is no fan or AC there. I had to bring my fan from the room. Like, I was working. Remember, do you know if I finish working this work now and post this video, these people don't watch. And
I just look, I'm like, maybe that's how YouTube is. Because I see bigger people with 200,000, 300,000. You see them with like 13K, 10K.
I see one girl, 1 million. And she posted a video I was seeing in 3 months ago, she's 5K. I said 1 million people, where are they? Did they die? All of them.
Because I see like for someone like Kim Dave now, somehow I feel like that woman is really someone, when you're thinking of being persistent, that woman has been persistent. Like, when there was a day I was really tired, I was like, I'm not even doing it again. Then I saw one of Kim Dave's video, and I went down, and I saw that she started over 5 years ago. I'm like, StylebyReme, you've only been here for 1 year,
and you're complaining.
You're
even blocked
sure?
yourself 1
like,
year, and
1 year.
you're like this 1
and
year.
I'm looking at myself, and I'm like, just keep quiet, drop your phone and go and sleep. It's just, and for her sometimes I'm like, but why doesn't she have, like, she's even in the UK with, like, she has everything, quality videos, great content, with 300 and something K. I'm like, at least someone with 300 and something K subscribers, it's not bad if you at least have 50K on a steady.
Adaptable,
like that's the thing. Like that's the thing I have with people subscribing to sewing tutorial channels. I was saying it. I was like, we have a life too. And I see recently Ovoke, one, I think that's an old fashion channel. She actually stopped for a long time. I came back and was like, it's like a cage. Because you are posting sewing tutorial, when I post something else, you don't want to watch it because it's not sewing tutorial. But when someone who is into makeup show something about themselves, you are interested. Probably that's because most times you are behind the camera, they don't even get to see the face often. But then I'm like, you don't just expect someone who is posting sewing tutorial to be posting sewing tutorial every single time. If that's all you have to do every time, for me, I hate doing the same thing over and over. You just get bored. It's boring. It becomes boring.
Yes.
Today I'm thinking of,
becomes like a walk.
What's I cannot just, like, as we are sitting here now, if we were seriously, because obviously I can see that both of us are not really, we post sewing tutorial, but want to do other things as well. We want to be able to do other things. There are some people that all they do is sewing tutorial. Some people don't even want to show themselves. So if you travel,
I don't make channels like that. I've told you now. Like,
if you travel, you cannot post.
Why would you post?
If something good is happening to you, you cannot post.
No, you guys should change your mindset.
No, seriously.
We're going to start posting our life also. But I think most of that problem, now you mentioned it, because we don't show our face.
Yeah.
Now, if you notice recently, I started putting more of my face in my channel. Do you know why?
That's something I actually started doing as well.
I was getting comments on Instagram from people from YouTube like, why don't you like show your face? You're even beautiful. Do you understand? And when I started doing that, I started getting, so you're even a fine girl, and you will just be showing, like, I'll be doing like this, only the clothes. And when I got those comments, I realized that this most times is not even their fault, it's our fault for not wanting to show them who we are.
That's what I'm saying. Like, for someone, it's true, Sha. For someone who does hair, you have seen the person's face.
That is why when they
for someone like Dara now, why her face is known?
Because her face is the whole thing. She doesn't do tutorial.
And that was something I think she was saying recently. Like, her own version of fashion is different from, oh, hey guys, today we are learning how to cut. Fashion doesn't necessarily have to be, we are learning how to cut.
Also styling. Also matching.
Someone can come today and be like, oh, this is a dress we made last week, and these are ways we can style it.
Or how to match the colors, how to wear the right shoe with the dress, how to style your hair with this particular dress. Please, we are bringing, see, me and StylebyReme, we're bringing this to you.
Honestly,
that is what we're telling you guys in advance. We're modern day content creators.
I'm not an old woman.
No, I'm a young girl.
I looked at the video recently, I was like, well, I cannot be like this. And if you and you see other channels actually that are just behind the scenes, they don't really show themselves. They actually have more views. They actually have more views and more people interacting, because they just like, this one will show me straight to the point. It's not the one I'll come and be doing hello, hi.
Oh God, you guys. So
but anyways,
we're going to start bringing those kind of content to you. How to style your anything we make, or even something we just bought. We'll show you how to style.
Just anything.
How to wear the right shoes with it. How to match the colors. Look at these faces. We're about to change the game. We're about to do it right. Okay. What else do we have to say?
Thank you so much. What's going on? Don't break my phone now. Don't have screen guard yet.
Okay, you guys. Thank you guys for sticking with us.
Thank you so much.
Small sit down. I'll be seeing you guys on StylebyReme. We're about to go home, so go watch that video.
Thank you.
If you see this thumbnail with red jackets,
black and white.
click and watch.
Bye, guys.
Bye bye.